everyone, welcome back to the weekly scrap metal price update. I'm Carol from ScrapMonster.com, your go-to source for the latest scrap metal prices and industry news. Today, we'll be diving into the latest price fluctuations across a variety of metals, including copper, brass, aluminum, stainless steel, steel, lead, and zinc. I'll also highlight some current world events driving these changes. Plus, we'll be showing you some updated price charts for each category based on the ScrapMonster Scrap Metal Price Index. Let's get started. Copper prices saw a 3.58 decline this week. Number 1 copper barite dropped by 3.5%, and number 1 copper wire and tubing fell by 3.58%, closing the week at $4.04 per pound. Number 2 copper wire and tubing saw a steeper decline, down to $3.94 per pound. Across the U.S., this trend was consistent with price drops in the East Coast, Midwest, and West Coast. This decline can be attributed to slower demand in the construction sector and global economic uncertainty, particularly in the U.S., due to concerns over inflation and interest rates. Brass prices also trended downward, with an average of 1.7% decline across North America. Red brass prices fell from $2.44 to $2.40 per pound, while yellow brass decreased to $2.25 per pound, down by 1.75%. Aluminum scrap prices dipped by 2.44% overall. EC aluminum wire dropped by 2.56%, closing at $1.14 per pound, while 6063 extrusions were down 2.17%. Cast aluminum and UBC prices also saw similar declines. Stainless steel prices decreased by 2.94% this week. 304 stainless steel solids fell slightly from 68 cents to 66 cents per pound. Steel scrap prices, however, saw an increase of 3.94%. The price of number 1 HMS rose to $315 per metric ton, while shredded auto scrap climbed to $380 per metric ton. Similarly, HMS 8020 and number 1 busheling both saw gains. Lead scrap prices led steady this week, with scrap auto batteries remaining unchanged at 22 cents per pound across North America. The stable prices reflect consistent demand in the automotive and battery recycling sectors. Lastly, zinc prices dropped by 2.65% this week. New zinc die cast decreased to 80 cents per pound, while old zinc die cast dropped by 2.86% to 68 cents per pound. The zinc market is currently affected by a slowdown in the galvanizing industry and reduced demand for zinc and infrastructure projects. Thanks for watching this week's scrap metal price update. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative and engaging content from ScrapMonster. Also, make sure to visit ScrapMonster.com for daily updated scrap metal prices, a B2B marketplace, and the latest industry news. Check out ScrapMonster.com for more useful tools and resources to boost your scrap business. Happy scrapping, and see you next week.